Hello everyone, today we will be installing this 13.1 Android car navigation for my Volkswagen Crafter that I'm building for overland and camping conversion. This tablet was supplied by Assure, and today we will show you how to install it and all the functions. In the kit we have manual instructions which are in English and Italian, I can see. Oh yeah, there is Deutsch, Italian, English, which is very good. Also have this manual user with everything that you need to do to install it. This is the sat nav, and we have the harness underneath. As well, I've got a reverse cam that I need to install, and all the harness, all the cables provided by them. As well, we have the diagram and how to install it. It's really simple if you follow the steps. Everything is in the kit. We also have all the plastics that go around the tablet. We've got the air vent mount. And all the brackets needed as well. This is the harness for the adapter to connect the tablet to the original radio player on the car. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the old radio and install this kit. To remove the old unit, you just take the air vents out. They held by some plastic clips. That's easy to do. That's out. You insert the removal tool kit. They have like slots to go in. Comes out like that. We've got a harness on the back, which is held by two clips. This is the radio antenna. Has the main connector that gives power to the unit. That's out, and you have this tiny little antenna that clips. It's got clips. Comes out. This is the old one. Put on the side. Now let's go and assemble the new unit. Pretty sure I don't have to scoop anything out from here. And before we fit the new unit, I had to run the reverse camera wiring and also whatever comes in the kit, like USBs and mic and radio antenna and everything else. Here we are. This is everything that's in the kit. Now we have to flip this over. This one comes first with screws, and then this one on top. I'll go ahead and put all the screws and then come back with the final product. And also we have radio antenna, mic, harness, CAN bus recorder, more screws, adapters, more harnesses, rear view camera harness and rear view camera. And this is another harness for CAN bus, subwoofer, auxiliary and everything that you need. And I have decided to run my USB port through this hole, which is under the gear lever. You have this plastic bit, remove it, then you're gonna be, I had to drill some holes and fit the cables through. But for now, if you just plug this in all the way, you can see the end of it. Scoop on out. Two of them are connected. I will be just test fit the product for now. I will plug the main connector, which is right here. Clip it, fit the antenna. Everything in the back. We've got everything connected so far. Then I'm gonna come back and fit the rear view camera. That's right. I can see there is only one port for the USB, so I'm gonna be using one only, just for test fitting, see if it works. It should have power. Yes. So as you can see, you already have YouTube, Play Store, Bluetooth, radio, Navi. To run the navigation, you have to hotspot to do the internet through hotspot. But I saw there is a port for SIM card, so you can put the SIM card and use the internet. Let's see the radio. So yeah, it works.
And southbound queues further up as well have come through. That's at junction 10.
Works really good.
There's always a queue there anyway, but it is busy.
So now let's remove it and fit the rear view camera, which for the camera
Accident is in one of the lanes there.
I have to
On the other side there is also one lane closed.
take that lamp out, which is held by a two Torx bolt. I will take that out in a minute. I do have wireless in the workshop, so meanwhile, while I'm still testing the product, I will be checking the wireless connection. So we are now connected to the internet. Yeah. Yeah, works good. I like it. It's got like very good resolution and high quality display. With the camera now fitted, we should have reverse camera when we put in the reverse. Yes, it works. Connecting your phone is quite simple. You got this shortcut over there, press that one. Now it's just connected, simple, nice and easy. You've got all the apps, Google Maps, phone. You can also use voice command. We've got the GPS on already, just start route.
Head southwest on Bosenham Mill Lane.
Huge screen, really good. You also have music. If you want to upgrade your head unit to a Profi one with sat-nav, Bluetooth, radio, Netflix, and all the apps available in the App Store, it also has internet. You can go to Assure online and pick it up yourself. It comes with pre-installed app like YouTube, and you can add anything you like to it. It's a really nice device to have in your car when you drive along. I love it. I would 100% recommend it to you all.